It's a school that's really green, teaching us how to live sustainably, how we could preserve our world. First time I heard about the school, I feel so jealous. I was jealous, totally jealous, that I really wish that I still a little girl so that I can enter this kind of school.
The green school in Bali takes green to the next level. Built in the middle of the jungle, it's nearly completely from bamboo. The school runs a recycling center that also operates in the surrounding community. It generates its own energy to meet big part of its needs and grows organic food for its vegetarian school lunches. The school raises a generation of children who live mindfully and actively care for the earth.
So then I try to find a way to send my kids here. And this is an international school in terms of tuition. That's why we feel so glad that the school have a local scholarship program. And now my older son, Gus Day, he already at grade 6 at middle school. He's learning about how to be a green leader. That's very important for me.
I, integrity, R, responsibility, E, empathy, S, sustainability, P, peace, E, equality or equity, C, community, and T, trust, and all those things play a role in green school.
The decade-old school applies a holistic academic approach, from kindergarten through to high school. They focus on 3 key frames of learning: thematic, proficiency, and experiential.
Instead of just reading a book and seeing the pictures and learning the facts, we get to see it happen live out there, and we get to feel the animals. We get to experience it with all 5 senses.
Gusta's mom now works as the school's after-school activities coordinator. Darwiyati is grateful that she can give back to the school that gives so much to her family and community. The school also has a strong international appeal, with parents from around the world moving to Bali to give their children this progressive educational experience.
The reason we came to Bali was driven by the kids originally, because John Hardy came to their school to visit, and we came to Bali, saw the school, and they said, wow, if we could actually ever study here, that would be a great thing. We have these integrated, what are called jalan-jalan thematic learning approaches, where you're learning actually how, from a beginning to an end, how a project works. You know, you're integrating economics, you're integrating biology, you're integrating different aspects of science learning and working with your peers and collaborating at a level we haven't seen before.
There's still plenty work in progress at the school, but Darwiyati truly hopes that green schools will be replicated in other parts of the globe.
Every kid deserves to have this kind of education around the world, so that we can have more green leaders that we dream of.